Samsung's upcoming phones are set to debut next month at Galaxy Unpacked in Paris. Despite the imminent launch, Samsung has already begun teasing the new Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 with early reservation emails. The Korean tech giant recently sent out these emails to potential customers, indicating when they can secure their place for pre-orders. Codenamed B6 and Q6, corresponding to the Flip 6 and Fold 6 respectively, these emails did not disclose pricing, specifications, or promotional offers. In previous launches like the Galaxy S24, Samsung has been known to offer incentives such as coupons or early pre-order deals to subscribers of its marketing emails. These offers often include discounts or enhanced trade-in values. For instance, during the Galaxy S24 launch, Samsung provided $50 vouchers to users who registered on their website before the official pre-order period. It remains to be seen what specific promotions Samsung will introduce this time. Past strategies have included temporary boosts in trade-in values and stackable discount codes like AP5 for purchases made through the Samsung Shop app. Additionally, Samsung is expected to bundle its new devices with accessories like the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Ring, and earbuds, offering comprehensive deals. Meanwhile, Google has responded to anticipated competition by significantly reducing prices for its Google Pixel 8 Pro in the UK. The Pixel 8 Pro now sees a discount of £300, $380, marking one of the largest price drops since its launch last October. The base Pixel 8 is discounted by £50, $63, and the Pixel 8 Pro by £190, $240, with additional savings through enhanced trade-in options that can reduce up to £665, $843 off the new handset. Google is also gearing up to launch its Pixel Fold 2, promising more deals in the near future. Overall, the tech market is heating up with exciting offers and new product launches, making it an opportune time for consumers to consider their next smartphone purchase. Thanks for watching. For more information and the latest tech news, subscribe to the channel.